Hi there, and welcome to every single one of you, all my followers. Please, this is a must watch video. I want you to pay very close attention right up until the end of this video, because what I'm about to share with you is I'm actually releasing my brand new website. Call it a money hub. For those of you who have been following me, you will know that the website that I actually have at this point in time is all about creating multiple sources of income, and I'm about to launch a brand new website. Now, I have been working on this for quite a few months and I've been quiet, so this is a must watch because I'm going to take you, it's going to be a tutorial on a new money making website and how you use it to still get to where you want to be, especially for all my followers with regards to Forex trading and my Forex followers. It's very important that you watch this video as I'll quickly give you a step-by-step and a launch of the new website. I'll call it like a pre-launch. Within this week, sometime during this week, I will literally change over the domain name to the brand new website, and then you guys can follow along. Before we continue, nothing is ever a guarantee. So pause this video for a second, read the disclaimer, and let's continue along. Now, as you can see on the screen, this is the website that you all know. For those of you watching that's been following me for quite some time, this is the website. As you know it, you've been through it, you've been using it, the Forex trading, Forex robots, especially the Forex brokers, etc. And I don't want to waste time and I don't want to keep you for too long. We just finished watching the Rugby World Cup game, or one of the games. It's the South Africa versus Scotland game. Like you know, I'm based in South Africa. So let's get started. This is what the new money website is going to look like. And the reason I call it a money website is it's for you as an individual. It will take your life, your bank account to the next level. It's very important. Not only generating money online, building a sustainable business online, but still for you, Forex trading followers, very important as well, because there will be a lot of updates coming on the Forex trading things, or on the Forex trading side as well. So here we go. This is what the brand new website is going to look like. So as soon as you type in errolmuller.com, it will bring you to this homepage. You're more than welcome to scroll through this. If this is not for you, then I'm going to show you what you need to do next. But if you do want to create a sustainable business online, take your bank account, change your life, take everything to the next level, then this is definitely for you to have a look at. I want you to click on the show me how to make money button and then just follow along the process. If you are a first timer and this is your first time landing on the errolmuller.com website, then you will see every time you type in errolmuller.com, it will bring you to this specific website. Now, if you scroll down, in order to use this website, you've got the 4 steps that you can continue along, or the easiest way to get to where you want to be is you scroll all the way to the bottom. And then here you will see webinars. Let's start on the first page. I'm going to take you over to webinars quickly. You can watch these webinars, very important. There's also quite a few webinars and sources for you to check out. The blog is not updated yet. The blog is also coming very soon. You will see as soon as I click on it. It's very raw. There's nothing at this point in time. And then we've got a live page, also very important, where we do live streams. And if you do want to join the live streams, then that is where you want to be. Then next, if you click on courses, this is related to anybody. And when I say anybody, for instance, yourself watching this video right now, who would like to make a sustainable income online. It will help you in your entrepreneurial career, whether you're working for a business and you would like to take your own business marketing to the next level, then this is where you want to be. There's a few courses that you can watch free. There's a few ones that you need to actually subscribe to the VIP list in order to watch. You will see that the ones that's the unlock button, you can watch that. I highly suggest you watch the 7 Steps to Freedom. You go through this course. It's an entire, let me actually show you. When you click on it, it will bring you over to this page, 7 Steps to Freedom. It's a free course. You have to pay nothing for it. You don't have to do anything. You can click on it and you can scroll through this. At the bottom of the courses, you will see it's live comments from real life individuals that's made these comments, that actually went through these courses, and you can continue along step 1, step 2, step 3. Now, it's a serious course. It's not something for the faint-hearted. I mean, it's exactly what it says: 7 steps to freedom. And then the other ones are locked. You have to join the VIP subscriber list. And then how to get massive traffic, same thing. Here's another wonderful motivational speech from Les Brown. You can click and watch that course. It's also entirely free. You have to do nothing. You can just click on it and it will take you to the course. There's quite a few other ones as well that is currently unlocked in order for you to have a look and go through them. Now, I just want to quickly see something while I've got you here, and that is Instagram secrets. Okay, so Instagram secrets, for those of you guys that are into marketing and you do use Instagram and you want your posts and your pictures and everything to get as many people as possible to see that picture, and you want to grow your profile, then I highly suggest you watch that. But just continue along. That is the courses tab. Next, if you click on the tools tab, then again, something for you to have a look at. As you can see, it says your top resources for online entrepreneurs. Very, very important, very powerful stuff here. Okay, so like I said, this has been taking me quite some time, like I said, a few months, and I needed to show you guys this so that you can see what I have been busy with. So if you type, by the time of you watching this video, it is now, let's quickly see, it's 10 minutes past 8 in the afternoon, and it's the 10th of September. So by the time of you watching this video, maybe later this week, this website will be live. Now, if you click on you can read the reviews. Very important, very powerful stuff. These Trustpilot reviews are legitimate reviews. I'm not talking about any bought reviews or anything like that. It's over, at this point in time, over 16,000 reviews. Also very important for you to watch and then or have a look at if you don't trust me. Sorry about that. Let me just quickly cancel this call. Then next, let me put my phone on silent. Then next, for all my Forex followers, those of you who have joined my YouTube channel and subscribe to my YouTube channel related to Forex trading, you want to click on the Forex tab. And then once on the Forex tab, huge update that I've done to this section, especially for you guys as the Forex followers. Click on the Forex tab, scroll down, all your Forex trading robots under one page. You can click the Learn More button. Same with the Forex trading robots under one button, one page, separate page. Your VPS services, and then charting software. If you don't know what charting software is, very important. That is for you. You get charting software like MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5. Now, if you want to take your charting software in order to do your analysis, your Forex trading analysis, to a whole new level, to the next level, then I highly suggest you check out the best Forex trading or charting software. Click on the Learn More button. It will take you over to the Forex charting software page, and then you can continue along. Check out TradingView. I've used TradingView for a very long time to do a lot of charting analysis when I used to trade Forex myself. If you have been following me, you will know that I have mentioned quite a few times that I no longer trade Forex myself personally. I have people trading for me. I used to trade a lot of Forex robots as well. Very powerful if you know what you're doing. So that is very important for you to check out. And then also, once again, join the VIP club. If you are interested, you click on join VIP. It will take you to our VIP inner circle, and this is my mentor, Vic Strides. I've got many mentors, but this is one of my mentors that actually helped me to create this whole model of multiple sources of income and taking your life, your business, your income, your finances, your everything to the next level. So I've got a lot of respect for this guy. First it's my father, my creator, Yahweh, Yeshua, and then from there downwards, then it's my family, me, my wife, my boy, and then down the line. But this is definitely one of my mentors, somebody you really want to listen to. So that's it. Once again, thank you. I don't want to keep you for too long. Please leave me a comment below this video if you have any questions, if you don't understand anything. And then again, if you like what you're seeing, also leave me a comment below this video. I would really like to get your feedback based on what I just showed you. But as soon as this video, stay tuned to my YouTube channel, stay tuned to my website, because this will be launching within this week. Hopefully, as soon as I do the changeover, then I can shoot a video to tell you guys that it's live. What you can also do is on my YouTube channel, I think it's the community section, where I will try and post a snippet to say brand new website is live, and then it will be on the new domain for you guys to check out. Once again, I thank you. I appreciate your time. Leave a comment below and share with the friends and family and members who you think this basically this website can change their life. Share it with those individuals. Once again, I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. May you watching this video be blessed with a happy, wealthy, healthy, loving life going forward. And I will see you in my next video. Enjoy.